Alright, we're recording.
Nice. Where's your action cam?
Huh?
Where's your action cam?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Oh wait.
I think that's the beginning.
Wait, Colton, is it this one? We're getting off here? Okay.
Alright, so we just slide off?
Yeah, we slide off. Wait, not yet.
The red line? Oh. Gotcha! Yeah, we're good. Oh wait, I can't get up. Thank you.
So what you want to do is this is stop.
On
your ass to ultra stop.
Yeah. Alright.
How do you S's?
How do you do you just tilt?
Huh?
You just tilt?
Yeah.
You put more pressure on one side if you want to move that direction.
And
you're skiing
and V the whole way down? I should remember to fall backwards because I've been falling forwards. What, so just fall like that? Let's go. Like that, right? Oh! Ah! Holy, I can't see anything. How do I turn?
Just lift your leg.
Ugh. Oh. Oh my god.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, yeah. Almost got punctured by a stick.
That's a very awkward position.
Yep. I am twisting my legs pretty far. Like that?
Yeah. But get used to the skiing, like the feeling of skiing. Because you can't be scared of sliding. Yeah, you do.
Oh, there's a guy with a snowboard coming. Yeah. Wait, what? Huh? Oh. Oh.
I got it.
Okay. Hey, I stopped. You tilt forward.
So when you turn, you angle your skis so like this.
Oh. Oh. Did you just fall into me?
That felt. See how that felt.
Alright. We're going at it. I think we're like 5% of the way there. It's getting even thicker now. Like, we have like 1 meter.
I think
clear.
it's snowing right now, dude.
It is, I think. You guys come off again?
No, it's not that far.
Alright. How do you see where you're going? RNG?
Just go down. No, you don't, but you just go down.
Alright.
Just
Alright.
towards the side, so...
Hey. Let's go. Oh, I haven't got the hang of turning there. Honestly, hardest part is standing back up. Oh. Right, okay. Thank you.
You alright? Ready?
Yeah. Oh, not ready. You're not ready either. Okay, wait. She said you like dig it in, right? You like dig it in parallel, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now when I stand up, do I put all the weight on my right foot or my left foot?
Left foot, I think.
You got me? Oh, my dick. Alright. Okay, so dig in the skis.
Yeah, slowly go up.
Ah.
Keep it inside.
Yeah.
Slowly.
Oh.
If you can't go forward, then use your pole.
Like that.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Oh.
Don't turn, Eric.
I'm trying not to turn.
Literally his turn.
Oh, you're right. It's alright. Dude, I'm literally just trying to stand up, dude. Huh? Oh. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Alright, I think I'm ready. I still have yet to. Oh! Okay. So keep all on the outer foot, and then when I want to turn.
Dude, oh fuck.
Oh, sorry.
No. All good.
Dude, your ass is so heavy, dude.
It's
You good?
Are you okay? Did you cramp your leg? Oh, sorry.
all good.
What happened?
You stand right into my calf.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think I need your calf.
Yeah, it's all good.
Your calves or your cock?
His calf. If it was his cock, he would have fallen down straight away, dude.
No, I'm just afraid that you split my calf.
What?
You can split your calf into
Oh,
because you know calves are two muscles.
yeah. Did I split your calf in two?
I don't know. It was right in the middle.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that it means it absorbed the full rot then, at least, not splitting.
Should be okay, I think.
Oh yeah, how far down are we? Like 10%?
It's not far down.
No.
Oh,
Half.
okay.
More than half.
That was pretty short,
Yeah.
considering how many stands I've got.
Think about your position that you should be at. It'll be this one that's your outer foot.
Okay,
So
so
if you're turning right,
you put your
this one?
foot, you're on your left leg. You put
Yes.
your weight on your left leg.
if
Okay.
you're turning left, you're going on your right foot.
Okay. Yeah.
You get
Okay.
it?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
like as you're turning, so even if you're facing this way, when you want to turn this, you already put your weight on your inner foot to start
Yeah.
turning.
If you
So like, if you're moving this way, but you feel like you're going too fast, so like you're going this way, right?
yeah.
Just
Dig it
angle your
backwards?
ski so it's going against your movement, and dig your skis into the snow. That's how you
Okay.
stop.
Sounds good in theory.
Yeah.
Only in theory.
might as well just go down straight.
Okay, like I said to Michael earlier, I'm fine with going down straight. I'm just not fine about going into the car park afterwards.
No, but you can just fall down. Go this way, right? Yeah.
So now I have to put all my weight on my right foot.
So you have to angle the ski too.
What? Okay, so if I want to turn now, I tilt to my right, like that, on my left foot.
Yeah, put all your weight on the left foot when you're turning.
Okay. Oi! Halfway. Gotcha.
Right foot, left foot.
Okay, nice flex, dude. Ugh.
Just go straight.
Oh, left. All right.
Don't turn, you can.
Huh? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I nodded Shihao's cough. I mean, I need Shihao's cough on my way down. That's why I was sitting down earlier. Ah, I see. So when that happens, Colton said to like lift that up a bit.
Yeah, lift that up a bit and try to maintain the beat when you do that. All your weight on your left, all your weight on your left.
Oh, yeah, I put my weight on my right. Oh.
Let's go. Next attempt.
How many seconds will I last this time? Alright. Like that.
Yeah.
Go straight, move straight. Keep your all your energy on your outlet, right? Okay, just go straight, don't turn.
And then how far do I have to like tilt my thing to the right?
So what?
Do I have to tilt myself to the right?
Yeah.
So I got left foot weight now. And then right foot to turn. How long did that take? Like 1 hour for one run? For the simplest one. I'm good. I can walk on skis now, dude. There we go. Oh, I just locked myself back in. Okay, second run started recording. Let's do this. Come on, dude. I literally can't see this place again. Look at this. Every time. Every time. You can see it getting thicker and thicker like every second.
Oh my god.
Oh, guys, I got out without falling. So who wants to go first? Go ahead. I'll follow as best as I can. Yeah, let's go. Ah. Oh.
Off you go.
Damn it. Yeah, that one was the safest fall though, I think. I slid slowly on that one. I don't want you in the scene, Jordan.
What the fuck was that?
Thumbs up.
Get in.
That's my thumbs up.
Oh shit.
And he goes up to the edge and skis out.
Dude, that's what I'm most worried about actually. That's why I'm just standing like this.
Wait, that's no idea.
Famous last pick before your 50,000 falls.
Yep. Who wants to go first? I'll go second. Alright.
I don't want to hurt my palm.
I don't know. Ah,
There's only one option after it, like if you want to turn, just put more pressure on the outer foot, that's it.
yeah. I need to do that. Huh? Well, that was better than all the other runs I've done.
Dude, that's this is one port start and that's it.
Round 2. 5 minutes, dude.